Well, you guys can see it's got a better throttle response now compared to what it was. It was running really lean. Wow, pretty cool. All right, guys. So right now this should be closer to I guess the final run, or second to the final run. And this is a lot more work than I even thought it would be. I've never seen a full dyno tune. So this has actually been taking for almost an hour to do. Because you gotta keep, running it and then tuning it, running it and tuning it. So I don't know if you can tell, but we're gonna see where he's at. My glasses on, is that good?
Yeah, that's perfect.
Okay. Is it clear?
Yeah.
Okay.
So you can see the difference here in the time.
All right. I'm going to put you on my YouTube video, right?
Yeah.